in this video I want to explain how can you use ginger juice to prevent hair loss. How can you use ginger juice to prevent hair loss? So if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe for more healthy videos. And if you like this video, just don't forget to give it a like. In the past video, I explained how can you use rice water to prevent hair loss. So in this video, I'm going to explain how can you use ginger juice to prevent hair loss. First of all, hair loss is a common condition which affects many people, be it men, be it women. So it is like this. I'm going to explain how can you use ginger juice to prevent hair loss. It is like this. First of all, you are going to take ginger. After taking ginger, you are going to cut them, make them into pieces. After cutting them, making them into pieces, make sure that you grind them. After grinding them, you are going to make a paste. After making a paste, make sure that you squeeze that paste to produce a juice. After making that juice, you are going to keep it in a container. Okay, so how are you going to use it? You are going to apply that ginger juice for about 2 or 3 times per week. How are you going to use? You are going to take that ginger juice and then you are going to apply it to your hair. When you apply it to your hair, wait for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can wash it. You can either wash it by using shampoo or can just wash by using clean water. So it is like this. Ginger it contain many compounds, or it contain many substances. Ginger it contain potassium, it contain vitamin, and also it contain magnesium. All those things are very good for promoting hair growth and hair nourishment. But also there are some people, after creating ginger juice, they also add coconut oil. So coconut oil helps to make the hairs to become very soft. But also ginger it helps to improve the supply of blood circulation to the scalp and also to the hair follicles. So making the hairs to become good and also help the hair become strong, they become soft and also help prevent hair loss. So there are so many ways you can use there's so many ways you can do to prevent hair loss. So this is the way which I explained today. So if you see this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. Thank you.